Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ghasts happy in Minecraft. First, you need to find a dried ghast block, which appears in the Nether's soul sand valleys near Nether fossils. Alternatively, you can craft one using 8 ghast tears and 1 soul sand block. Once you have this special block, you're ready for the next step in bringing your friendly ghast to life. With your dried ghast in hand, head to the overworld. Place the block in water, ensuring it is fully submerged. This rehydration process is crucial. You'll need to wait for approximately 20 minutes in real time for the dried ghast to transform into a cute, smaller ghastling. Keep it in the water for the entire duration to ensure a successful transformation. Now that you have a ghastling, it's time to help it grow into a full-sized happy ghast. You can speed up this process significantly by feeding it snowballs. Each snowball helps it mature faster. If you prefer to wait, the ghastling will naturally grow into a happy ghast after another 20 minutes. Soon, you'll have a friendly, floating companion. To truly enjoy your happy ghast, you'll want to ride it. First, craft a special harness. This requires 3 pieces of leather, 2 glass blocks, and 1 wool block of any color. Once crafted, simply equip the harness onto your happy ghast. Now you can soar through the skies, using your happy new friend for exploration or even as a mobile building platform.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.